Wagner Power Systems has been serving the oil and gas industry since 1976. Located in Albuquerque, New Mexico and Grand Junction, Colorado, Wagner Power Systems has 2 rebuild centers ready to service the complete line of Caterpillar oil and gas engines and transmissions. When you choose to work with Wagner's engine rebuild centers, you get more than best-in-class trained technicians. You get a hard-working team that understands the industry and the importance of uptime and getting your equipment back in service so that you can get back to what you do best. Wagner leverages state-of-the-art rebuild tracking software to document every stage of the rebuild process, improve workflow, and provide our customers with detailed reports on each engine that is completed. Our facilities are staffed with CAT-certified technicians and workflow-based workstations where every main component is cleaned, disassembled, and inspected prior to entering the assembly area. 60-ton bridge cranes and 3-ton jib cranes smoothly transition equipment through the facility. Wagner uses 2 power test dynos rated at 3,150 and 8,000 horsepower for quality control on engine rebuilds, and 2 400 horsepower Caterpillar transmission test stands to ensure equipment is ready to work. All equipment is finished to customer specification in our state-of-the-art paint booth. Wagner has a dedicated large engine specialist to support our rebuild centers that you will work with directly to define scope, pricing, and assistance throughout the rebuild process.